Here's your iPhone screen suddenly not responding to your touch. It's super frustrating, but don't panic. Here are a few quick fixes you can try right now. First, let's start with the basics. Your screen might just be dirty. Grab a soft lint-free cloth and give it a good wipe. Sometimes, unseen dirt or even a little moisture can mess with the touch sensitivity. Neds. If you're using a screen protector or a case, try taking it off. It's rare, but sometimes they can interfere with the screen's ability to register your touch. If that doesn't work, let's try a force restart. It's simple. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo pop up. Still no luck. Let's check for a software update. Go to Settings, then General, and tap Software Update. Installing the latest iOS can often fix weird bugs like this. One last thing to try is resetting your settings. Head to Settings, General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Reset All Settings. Fifth, won't delete your data, just reset your preferences. One of these steps should get your screen working again. For more quick tech solutions, make sure to subscribe to Simple Tech Fix. Thanks for watching.